Is there a better way to iterate over two lists, getting one element from each list for each iteration? I have a list of latitudes and one of longitudes and need to iterate over the latitude and longitude pairs. Is it better to A. Assume that the lists are of equal lengths. B. O. Note that B is incorrect. This gives me all the pairs, equivalent to itertools.product. Any thoughts on the relative merits of each, or which is more Pythonic?
This is as Pythonic as you can get.
Another way to do this would be by using map. One difference in using map compared to zip is, with zip the length of new list is same as the length of shortest list. For example, using map on same data.
Good to see lots of love for zip in the answers here. However, it should be noted that if you are using a Python version before 3.0, the itertools module in the standard library contains an izip function which returns an iterable, which is more appropriate in this case, especially if your list of let/longs is quite long. In Python 3 and later, zip behaves like izip.
In case your latitude and longitude lists are large and lazily loaded, or if you want to avoid the for loop.
If you want to say more, let us consider subscribing.